Gina with WTI, and if you're hosting a party or a gathering and you're looking for an amazing alternative to plastic plates, but you want something that's still disposable, you're gonna love these naturally fallen palm leaf plates from ZEBRAZ. The first thing I love about them is just how sturdy they are. They do not bend easily, which means that you can pile a ton of food on these and not worry about them falling apart. They're leak proof, and I love that there's a lip on the side, so if you do have liquids, it's not going to roll off of the plate. I got the 10-inch square dinner plates, and they were perfect because we had hot and cold food at our wedding shower, and it accommodated that perfectly. The next thing that I love about them is that I can rip them up and put them straight into my food disposal bin. I love that because that means that I can put it into my garden soil once it has broken down. We love the variation of the color and the style of each of the plates because they're all different, and that really lent to a nice aesthetic for the rustic feel that we were going for. I highly recommend these, and that's my point of view.